Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a different type of video. You guys, I had posted a bunch of projects that I had made back when I started crafting, and you guys gave me a great idea and I absolutely loved it, and that is what this video is going to be part one of. So I had showed you guys that back when I started crafting, I used to watch Sabrina Ann all the time, and I made these like folio flip books out of file folders. And you guys, I am not happy at all with the way they look. You guys left me so many beautiful comments, but the way I craft today is totally different, and a lot of you guys suggested for me to do a new one with the way I craft today and with the skills that I have today and my new stash and my new supplies. And I thought that was an amazing idea, you guys. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to recreate this 2016 project in 2019. And I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I'm going to be using, because I did cut up a collection yesterday and I want to show you guys. This collection is by Simple Stories, and it is called Say Cheese Halloween. I did print out all my papers, so this is a full digital collection. It's not purchased. I bought the digital online at Simple Stories website. Nothing is from no store. Everything is printed from my printer and cut from my machine. So let me show you guys first the papers. This is what the first sheet looks like. What I did is, and I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I usually Google what the actual ephemera looks like when you purchase the pack and what the papers look like when you purchase the collection kit, so that I can print them out double-sided exactly as they would come if you would purchase the single sheet. I use 110 cardstock from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out. This is super good quality paper. It's thick enough. It's very sturdy. I absolutely love it. I use it in every little ephemera that I cut in my projects all the time. So these are the sheets. How cute are those balloons, you guys? Then we have some like spooky eyes. We have some tickets, a plaid on the opposite side. I'm sure you guys have seen this collection. So cute, super colorful. This one I printed the same print on the same side. That was a mistake, but I'm still going to use the sheet. This is polka dots and a pumpkin on the opposite side, jack-o'-lanterns. Then we have a striped one, and then a bunch of bats on the back. We have tombstones, and then we have this one, which is so cute. And we got some polka dots, some spiders, and then we have some skull heads, and then in the back is some colorful stripes. So these are my papers that I'm going to be using for the project. And this is all the ephemera that I have cut up from the collection. You guys, you get tons more in digital collections than you do in actual ephemera packs. So that is one of the reasons why I love to cut my ephemera, because I get such a great variety. You get so many. Plus, I can continuously cut over and over and over again. Once you go through your pack that you purchase, that's it, you guys. You got to go purchase another one. Not with digitals. Once I set this up on my machine, I'm able to cut it as many times as I want. So that's what I'm going to be using on my new file folder that I'm going to be making as my 2019 project. I've already started it, you guys, and this is what it's looking like. I need to add my little folders to get it going. I will have Sabrina's tutorial so that you guys can, because I'm not doing a tutorial list, I'm going to do a project share, because it'll take me forever to actually set this up, but we'll decorate it, because with the way I am today, you guys, I change my mind like 100 times. I go over so many things that it'll take me forever to edit that video. So I'm going to be doing that off camera. But as you can see, I've already set up the file folder and matted it on both sides, and now I'm going to add my additional paper, add my folders in the inside, and just get creative, you guys. Get super creative. So with that being said, stay tuned for my next video showing you guys what my 2016 one looks like compared to my 2019. And thank you guys so much for the idea, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye guys.